Have you ever wondered how YouTube became the giant it is today? How this platform, which is now a part of our daily lives, rose from being a simple idea to becoming a global phenomenon. The seeds of YouTube were sown in the early part of the 21st century. It was in February of 2005 that three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, decided to create a platform where people could share videos easily and quickly. This idea was born out of frustration when they had difficulty sharing videos from a dinner party. And thus, in a small office above a pizzeria in San Mateo, California, YouTube was born. In its early days, YouTube was a simple website where anyone could upload and share videos. The first video, titled Me at the Zoo, was uploaded by Jawed Karim himself in April of 2005. It was a 19-second clip of him at the San Diego Zoo, and it marked the beginning of a new era in online content sharing. The site grew rapidly, attracting millions of users who were excited about the concept of sharing and watching videos online. In November of 2005, just 9 months after its creation, YouTube received a significant investment from Sequoia Capital, which helped fuel its growth. In 2006, a monumental event occurred that would change the trajectory of YouTube forever. Google, recognizing the potential of the platform, acquired YouTube for a whopping $1.65 billion. This acquisition not only provided YouTube with the resources to grow, but also showed the world the potential of online video sharing. With Google's backing, YouTube continued to expand and innovate. It introduced features like video embedding, playlists, and later, the Partner Program. This program was a game changer. It allowed content creators to start earning revenue from their videos, marking the birth of a new profession, the YouTube content creator. In the following years, YouTube became more than just a video sharing platform. It transformed into a community, a source of news, a platform for education, and a launchpad for careers. In 2012, YouTube reached a significant milestone with Gangnam Style becoming the first video to reach 1 billion views. This not only demonstrated YouTube's global reach, but also the power of viral content. Fast forward to the present day, YouTube has become an integral part of our lives. It's a platform where anyone with a camera and an idea can reach millions of people, where careers are launched, where voices are heard, and where the world comes together to share, learn, and entertain. Today, YouTube has over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, and every day people watch over 1 billion hours of video. It's a place where over 500 hours of video are uploaded every minute, and it's available in more than 100 different languages. But the journey doesn't stop here. YouTube continues to innovate, to adapt, and to grow, ensuring that it remains a platform that brings people together, that empowers and entertains, and that continues to redefine the way we consume content. In conclusion, the story of YouTube is a testament to the power of an idea, the impact of technology, and the limitless potential of the internet. It's a story that continues to evolve and one that will undoubtedly continue to shape our digital future. Voiceover. Let's take a moment to travel back in time to the very beginning, to the first video ever uploaded on YouTube. This was on April 23, 2005, when a video titled Me at the Zoo made its debut. The video was a simple 19-second clip featuring a young man named Jawed Karim at the San Diego Zoo. Intriguingly, Karim is one of the 3 co-founders of YouTube, alongside Chad Hurley and Steve Chen. Together, they created something extraordinary. The video, Me at the Zoo, despite its simple nature, signified something important. It marked the birth of YouTube's defining feature, user-generated content. This brief and unpretentious video set the precedent for a wide range of personal and unique videos that would populate this platform. YouTube, thus, became an international platform for anyone with a story to tell or a viewpoint to share. It turned into a stage where people could express themselves freely, ushering in a new era of digital communication. Me at the Zoo was the start of a significant movement, triggering an avalanche of user-generated content that would transform YouTube into a global sensation. This video laid the groundwork for countless videos that would bottlen. It was a humble beginning, one that embodied the essence of YouTube, a platform for the people, by the people.